What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today we are looking at a powerful way to keep your ride sparkling clean with the AutoVit electric pressure washer. If you want a professional wash at home without spending a fortune, you are in the right place. Let's get started. If you are tired of spending your weekends scrubbing your car with a sponge and a bucket, the AutoVit electric pressure washer is going to be a total game changer for you. It is a high-performance cleaning tool that is specifically designed to make washing your vehicle fast and efficient. At the heart of this machine is a powerful 1800-watt motor that generates a massive 4800 psi of water pressure. When you combine that with a flow rate of 2.5, 9 gallons per minute, you get a serious amount of cleaning power that can blast away dirt, mud, and road grime in seconds. What makes the AutoVit really stand out is how versatile it is. It comes with 4 adjustable quick connect spray nozzles. This is great because it allows you to switch between different pressure levels depending on what you are cleaning. You can use a wider spray for a gentle rinse on your car's paint, or switch to a more concentrated nozzle to tackle those stubborn stains on your wheels or even your driveway. It's not just for cars either. It's perfect for cleaning your patio, siding, and outdoor furniture. One of the biggest headaches with pressure washers is often the limited reach, but AutoVit solved that problem. This unit comes with a 25-foot high-pressure hose and a 16-foot power cord. This gives you plenty of length to move all the way around a large truck or SUV without having to constantly unplug the machine or drag it to a new spot. This extra reach makes the whole cleaning process feel much more relaxed and way less like a chore. Safety and durability are also built right in. The machine features a total stop system, which is a smart function that automatically shuts off the pump the moment you let go of the trigger. This is a huge benefit because it saves energy and prevents the motor from running unnecessarily, which helps the pump last much longer. The design is also very user-friendly. The AutoVit is built onto a wheeled, upright trolley, so you can easily wheel it around your driveway just like a piece of luggage. It also has mesh storage pockets on the sides to hold your spray gun and a dedicated hook to keep the power cord organized. It's compact, easy to store in your garage, and keeps everything you need right at your fingertips. This pressure washer is perfect for car enthusiasts who take pride in a clean ride, or for any homeowner who wants a reliable tool for outdoor maintenance. It combines raw power with a thoughtful design that anyone can use. If you want to take your car cleaning game to the next level, this is a fantastic tool to have in your garage. Check the price link in the description to see the latest offers. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more helpful guides on the best gear. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.